The most significant male sex hormone is testosterone. Although it is normal for testosterone levels to drop as people get older, there are steps they can take to slow down and even possibly stop the process. A person's complete health and well-being depend on testosterone. Unfavorable changes in body composition can result from low testosterone levels. As people age, these changes can also lead to weight increase. Low testosterone levels also impact sexual performance, resulting in decreased sex drive, fewer erections, and infertility. In this video, we will be sharing ways to increase testosterone. The greatest way to raise testosterone levels is to change your lifestyle to benefit your general health and happiness. Let's begin. Number 1. Getting sufficient rest. The body's required amounts of hormones and substances, including testosterone, can be negatively impacted by sleep deprivation. Prioritizing sleep could keep testosterone levels in check. Aim for sleeping for at least 7 to 8 hours every night. Anyone who consistently has trouble sleeping soundly should consult their doctor. Number 2. Maintain a healthy diet. A healthy diet has long been crucial for preserving testosterone levels and general well-being. Being overweight and having low testosterone levels can lead to several inflammatory diseases and poor brain function. The greatest diets primarily consist of whole foods and provide a wholesome ratio of proteins, carbs, and fats. Eating a balanced diet rich in nutrients can maintain the body's hormone levels appropriately and advance long-term health. Number 3. Reduce cortisol and stress levels. Long-term stress can be harmful since it raises cortisol levels. Unnaturally high cortisol levels can quickly lower testosterone. These hormones function like a seesaw. When one rises, the other falls. Concentrate on adopting a whole foods-based diet, regular exercise, restful sleep, laughing, and a balanced lifestyle. These things can all help you feel less stressed and have higher testosterone levels. Number 4. Intake of supplements and vitamins. It has been discovered that vitamin D pills can restore a deficiency and even help to raise testosterone levels. It can also help maintain healthy vitamin D levels by getting at least 15 minutes of direct sunlight each day. Salmon and other fatty fish, fortified milk, and cereal products are food sources rich in vitamin D. DHEA is a hormone that aids in synthesizing other hormones that influence body composition, including testosterone. The body may be able to use the DHEA it makes if the healthy fats found in fish and flaxseed are consumed. Number 5. Review of medicines. Although several medical issues can be managed with prescription drugs, they are among the most frequent causes of low testosterone. For instance, cholesterol-lowering drugs called statins may partially function by lowering testosterone. Anyone who thinks their doctor should be informed that they have low testosterone may want to discuss this with them. Number 7. Prevent using drugs and drinking. Lower testosterone has been connected to drug and alcohol abuse. The glands and hormones involved in male reproductive health are impacted by alcohol usage. Additionally, alcohol's negative effects on the body, which include producing hormonal reactions and cell damage, might result in increased testosterone levels. So that is all the time we have today, folks. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to remain updated about all our future videos. Till then, see ya!